So there's no light again in my room, so you don't really see me. The codeine cough syrup is kicking in, so I'm having some codeine cough syrup, and I thought about something hilarious today. We have a ramp that has been built now, and it's looking really good. It's almost done. We just need the railings, and part of the concern with it was that it might be too steep, so we put a little platform and then another little smaller ramp. So this is a very good idea. And today, because I was thinking about, we're like, well, what can we do so we don't slide? And then I thought, oh my fucking god, I could get a sled or one of those little round saucer thingies and put it at the top of my porch and go sliding down the bottom of my porch. And then I realized I would fucking run into my air conditioner and hit myself in the head or kill myself or something. But can you imagine how fucking funny it would be if I was sliding down my porch like a dumbass and then whoop, and we're gonna have a railing on there soon, so I wouldn't even hit the air conditioner anymore. I would hit the railing. Hi Stacy, I see you. Yeah. So I took the codeine cough syrup because I'm coughing a lot today, and I threw up again in my hand, which is really good. So I didn't get any puke on myself, just my hand. My dad is doing okay. He's in a regular room now. His neighbor likes to sit naked in bed, which is so gross, because he's a big old fat man, and he's naked. So yeah, you can't see me because there's no fucking light, Stacy. My room, I'm in bed, I'm getting ready for bed, and Cephas is sitting with me. The only reason there's light now is because people are tapping into the line. But anywho, I just wanted to let you know that I think that thing with the sled, I should probably do it when the snow comes. And I should probably wear a helmet when I do it. 'Cause I don't want to damage what's left of my brain. I bet you all missed the codeine confessions. If my doctor just happens to be watching, I just want you to know I'm actually okay. I've been mostly okay for a while. Australia did me good. It's just sometimes I don't feel good, and tonight's one of those nights. But y'all are awesome for watching my videos. I feel so important when you watch them. And I hope you all have a good night. I am going to try to sleep. And thank you all for your support. Peace out, y'all.